Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this tutorial, you are going to learn multiple Excel formulas and tricks like sum if, VLOOKUP, concatenate and drop down list, etc. which will tremendously increase your expertise in Excel. So without wasting any time, let's move on to our screen. So first of all, we will learn sum formulas. Sum in total of all the values. Write equal, then sum, and select this formula and select the range and then close the parentheses, enter, and you can see here is the total of all these values. Then average of all the values. Again write formula is equal to average. Click on this and then select all these values. And you can see the average is calculated. And then if you want to find maximum value, again write is equal max. Click on this and select all values and then close parentheses, and 8.6 is maximum value. And then minimum, write is equal and minimum value, double click on min, select the values. Because there are two salesmen who got 0 sales, so the minimum value is 0. Now we will learn count if formula. For example, we want to know how many salesmen belongs to the city Lahore. So we will write formula here is equal, then count if and press tab, and now we will select range from here and then press comma, and now give criteria. Criteria is, for example, Lahore, close the parentheses and enter. You can see the 5 salesmen belongs to Lahore, and now drag this formula from this corner, and there you can see 5 salesmen are from Karachi, 2 from Islamabad and 3 from Peshawar. And now our next formula is sum if. For example, how much sale have been made by the salesmen from Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad and Peshawar. So first we will work it on Lahore. First write equal, then sum if, press tab and select the range. Range is here in the city column, then press comma, and criteria is city name, for example Lahore, press comma, and then sum range. Sum range being the range for which the total can be made. So here is the sale for which the total can be made. Select it and enter. So this is amount of sale the salesman from Lahore has made. So click on this again and drag the formula to remaining cells. So this is how you can make total by using sum if formula. And viewers, our next formula is concatenate. Concatenate is used to merge two columns. So for example, we want to merge name and the city name in a column. So we will write formula here equal concatenate. You can see here, click on this, and first you have to select text 1. Text 1 is name, and then press comma, as it will be suitable that there should be a space between name and city name. So we will here press inverted commas and space and then inverted commas again and press comma, and now select second text and close the parentheses and enter. So you can see the both columns are merged. Now drag it to the end, and now all the names and city names are merged in one column. And viewers, our next formula is text to columns. Here I will write it, text to columns. For example, there are the joint name of person and name of city. So if we want to separate them in separate columns, so to do that, so first we will select the whole column and then we will go in data tab, and here you can see text to column. Click on this and click next. As you can see, the both text are separated by a space, so select the space and next. And here you will have to change the destination cell, delete it so that the existing data may be saved. So select this cell or any other cell where you want to show the data, click on finish and OK. And you can see the name and city name both are separated in separate columns. And viewer, our next formula is very important and it may be called the hallmark of Excel. The next formula is VLOOKUP. To apply formula, first we will delete these columns, control minus, and the columns are deleted. So as I have said, our next formula is VLOOKUP, and I will write name of 3 salesmen, say Babar and Azan and Waqar. So through VLOOKUP formula, I will bring the value of sales by Mr. Babar. So write the formula VLOOKUP and press tab. First is lookup value is Babar, and press comma, then table array. For table array, select these 3 columns, ignoring the serial number column, then put comma and column index number. Column index means from which column the VLOOKUP will extract the value of sales, and because the sales in 3rd column, we have table array of these 3 columns, so sales in 3rd column, so I will write here 3. And after that, you can see if you want exact match or exact value, then you will write false, or if you want approximate value, then you will write true. And you can use 0 for exact match and 1 for approximate value. So I will write here 0 and bracket close and enter, and you can see it has bring the value of sales of Babar. Here you can see Babar sale is 3 million, and drag the formula to remaining, and you can see the sale of remaining are also brought by the VLOOKUP formula. And now our next formula is drop down list. This is our next formula, drop down list. To create drop down list, go in data tab and then data validation, and from setting click here and select the list and then select the source. For example, we want to create drop down list of the names, then select all these names and click on OK. Now you can see here is the drop down list of these names. You can see how easily we have created this drop down list. And viewers, you can also try the combination of VLOOKUP and drop down list. Simply copy this drop down list and paste in place of name, and you can see whatever name you will select, and its value will be in front of him. Yeah. This is how VLOOKUP and drop down list works together. And the last formula for this tutorial is conditional formatting. So to apply conditional formatting, first of all select the values. For example, we want to highlight the sales which is less than 4 million. So we will go in conditional formatting and then highlight cell rules and less than. And here we will write 4 and here you can tick the option light red filled with dark red text or red text. I am selecting red text and click on OK. And here you can see the sale less than 4 million are turned into red. So these were multiple and common Excel formulas and tricks. Hopefully they will help you, either you are a student or a professional. In the end, like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.